Hi everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. I just got a Worthy Flavors box, and I love Worthy Flavors because I never know what's going to be in the box. It's always a surprise, and there's something about that I really like. Now this is the all organic box. They say it's 9 to 11 pounds of all organic American grown produce. Let's get the box open and find out what's inside. It's always so nicely organized. They have the frozen water bottles is what they use for ice packs, and they have them in a cardboard sleeve in the middle, and that's nice because you can defrost them and then use the water. Good thinking. They give you the list of what's inside, but I don't like to peek at that. I like to save that for later. And they're reminding me, if you want to try Worthy Flavors, you can get 20% off your first box. There's a link in the description down below. Again, this is the all organic box. It's 9 to 11 pounds of fruits and vegetables, all American grown, for $39.95. And you can schedule yours to come every week or every other week, whatever you prefer. So if you're interested in trying, and even if you don't want organic, they do have other options. There's a link in the description down below. And then we have grilled bok choy with miso honey glaze recipe. That sounds good. And kale grilled cheese with pear. These sound super interesting, guys. So these are usually a hint to what's in the box. So now we're gonna have to get this sorted out. So we have some spinach. This looks nice. Some nice spinach. Organic. Again, product of the USA, because this is all American grown produce. Some chives. This is nice to see. It's definitely starting to become spring when you get stuff like this. And then here's the bok choy. This is large. I guess maybe I usually get baby bok choy, but this is some large bok choy. And we have some oranges. 4 oranges, and they don't have a label on them, so I can't check to see if they're organic or not for sure. And if you remember last time, and there's a link to my last unboxing with Worthy Flavors in the description down below, I got some lemons that had non-organic stickers on them, so I'm a little suspect of that. And then we have lemons without stickers. Suspect of this. Now, if we look on this list, it says organic lemons and organic navel oranges, but these don't look like navel oranges to me. They don't have the navel. They just look like regular oranges. So I'm not so sure, and I don't like that they don't have labels on them. And then we've got some green cabbage. I wish I had had this the other night when I made my corned beef, but that's okay. We can use it for something else. We have some rainbow chard, it looks like. Yes, rainbow chard. And it's not real rainbow. There's only one color in here, really. This one. Some celery, and this looks better than the celery we got last time from Worthy Flavors. And again, there's a link to that in the description down below, that unboxing. And 2 onions. What kind of onions are these? Just yellow onions. 2 yellow onions, and this does have a tag, and it does start with the number 9. And that's how we can tell for sure that something's organic, if the number on the tag starts with the number 9. So if you're in the grocery store, that is a surefire way to know. This one doesn't have a tag. And then we got some organic natural beauty. I'm gonna say these are sweet potatoes. I mean, they look like sweet potatoes. So now it's time to look on this list. Yes, some very large sweet potatoes. And I'm going to show you what I have in my sink. So this is what we've got. Organic chives, organic onions, organic rainbow chard, organic green cabbage, organic celery, organic spinach, organic bok choy, which is over here, organic sweet potatoes. We've got 2 of those, and they're very large. Organic lemons and organic navel oranges, but I don't think they're navel oranges. These just look like regular oranges. What do you think? Are these navel oranges or are they just regular oranges? And how do you feel about some of these, mainly the oranges and the lemons, not having stickers on them that tell us they're organic? I'm a little suspect of that. And I think it's really weird that they put this recipe in here because we don't have any kale. We have chard, but we don't have kale. We have spinach, but we don't have kale. But they gave us a recipe for kale grilled cheese with pear. We also don't have any pears. So I'm not sure if they did this by accident or what. But this one does make sense because we got the bok choy. What do you think of this? Should we maybe have gotten something different? I'm not sure. I mean, and it actually sounds really good, but we don't have pears and we don't have kale. Yeah, I guess I could do it with spinach. Well, we didn't get any pears. So that's a little weird. Anyway, leave me a comment down below. Tell me what you think. Have you ordered from Worthy Flavors? What do you think of this order for $39.99? Is it worth it? Would you try Worthy Flavors? Leave me a comment down below and let me know. And remember, I do at least one unboxing a week, and then I do several other videos as well. They could be nutrition, fitness, or figure skating. So if you don't want to miss a video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell right next to it. You'll get notified whenever I release a new video. And I have my free cookbook for protein-packed breakfast recipes. And you can get that on my website at aimeericca.com/freebies. And there's lots of other stuff on that page too. You don't have to get just one. You can download as many of them as you like as my gift to you for watching this video. That's all for now. I will see you real soon. This is Aimee. Bye.